See how to reply to the Instagram comments using AI, and also I will explain how to create an Instagram chat funnel to generate more leads for your business. Let's get started over here. First of all, here I'm in the analytics section and in the demo account. So here we have already connected the Instagram channel over here. So the automations actually allowed by Instagram only work for the business account and also for the creator accounts. If you have a personal Instagram profile, then it won't work. You need to actually switch that particular personal profile to a business or a creator account for these automations to work. And also please make sure your Instagram account is connected with the Facebook page for the automations to work, because this particular Instagram DM automation is powered through the Facebook Messenger API. So that's why both of Facebook page and Instagram should be connected for the chatbot to work, and this is actually approved and allowed by Instagram as well. So let's see how to reply to Facebook Instagram comments over here. So here, if you head over to tool section, we have this tool called as Instagram comment automation. Here you can actually create the automations over here. So let me explain how to do that. So here, if you want to learn more, you can simply click on learn more to get the particular guide related to the Instagram comment automation. Let me just create one. So let me simply create one as demo one over here. Here you can actually track the comments on all posts or specific post. So here we have 3 posts. If you want to track the comment automation or do the comment automations only on this second post, you can simply select that specific post as well. But if you want to track the comments on all these posts, then you can choose all post over here and private reply to comment. So Instagram actually allows you to send a private DM to the people who actually comment on your post and also reels. So this actually works for the reels as well. So what sort of message you want to send to them? So if you want to send just a simple text message, you can do that over here. Otherwise you can even send a flow as well. So if you want to send a series of messages based on the customer's action within the chatbot or DM, you can simply do that through the flow as well. So here let's choose none over here, because for now we don't want to send any sort of private DMs to the customer. We just want to respond to the comments over there. So here public reply to comment. So that's the place where you actually add a comment over here. Some comments and what sort of message you want to respond to the customers over there. So when you set up this particular public reply, you have the options to add a different kind of variations. So for example, let's say you actually trying to promote a free lead magnet for your business, then you can ask people to comment a specific keyword. So here, reply to all comments. So all comments mean whatever the comments they put over here, the automation will be triggered. But if you want to trigger this particular automation for some kind of specific comments, so let's say you add a CTA in your particular test post asking customers to comment this particular word to get this particular kind of lead magnet. So in that case, you can simply set that particular CTA word as well. So only for the CTA word, this particular automation will be triggered. For others, nothing will be happen. So that you can also do like that. And you can also choose comment contains that particular word. So if you choose comment equal to, then only if they comment with the particular keyword, then only this particular automation will be triggered. If you select comment contains that keyword, then it will be triggered if that particular, as long as their comment actually contains that particular keyword you are actually setting over there. So that's the different over here. And here let me add a comment over here. Send you a DM. So something like that you can add. But here, if you want to actually respond to the customers using AI or using ChatGPT to respond to the customers using the AI, then here you have to actually create a flow. Public comment reply should be a flow. I will explain how to create a new flow over here in just a minute. So for now, let me choose none, and you can actually track comments on all comments as well, reply to all comments. And here you have other options as well. So here you can actually hide the comments with specific keyword. Otherwise, you can also reply only once to each user in one post. If you want to respond to the user multiple times, you can untick one. And here you can also set the timing as well. So here it says immediately, but if you want to delay like 5 minutes, you can do that. After 5 minutes it will be triggered, and here you can even delay like randomly within 20 minutes. So let's say if you're actually getting tons of comments as well in a short time, then you can actually use this sort of options over here, random within 30 minutes. So when a particular customer comments, you will they will respond in just 1 minute. Sometimes when other person comments, they will actually get the response in like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So likewise the responses will be sent up randomly within the 30 minutes. So there is a lot of options over here. So let me simply click immediately and click save. So as I mentioned, to respond to the comments using AI, we need to actually create a chatbot flow over here. So let's create one over here. So let me go to the flows section over here and create a new flow. So here let me add the flow name as AI comment. So let me create a new flow, and we have to actually connect that particular new flow over here. So let's create the flow over here. So we have to start with the action, open AI. So here you can choose the prompt template. So otherwise you can simply add whatever the business information you have over here and the user input as well. So the user input here will be the Facebook comment, or in other words, it actually tracks both the Facebook and the Instagram comments over here. For example, let me go to the help center over here and show you the system variables to get a better understanding. So here if I go to the system fields over here, and if I scroll down, and here last FB comments, the text of the comment works both for Facebook and Instagram. So this is the variable. So this, if you use this particular variable, then the last comment of that particular customer will be tracked. Then only we can actually respond to the customer using the AI. So that's why we have to use this particular variable over here. So if I go back to the flows over here, let me choose the prompt templates over here, and let's choose one prompt template. So let's say if it is a fitness gym in the Texas, and here the user message is the last Facebook comment. So let's see last FB comment. So that's the message, and here you can actually save the response into the AI output, and you can reduce the number of tokens over here. And now once the response is saved in the AI output, we have to actually comment as the AI output should be respond to the customer. So here we are actually sending that particular response as well. That's it. So this is just a very simple flow just for the comment replies, or public comment replies in other words. So let's test this. Let's simply so here in the Instagram comment tool we have just created, let's simply choose that particular flow for the public reply to comment, a comment. That's it. Let me activate this one over here. Alright, this is active now. And if you want to check the prompt, what sort of prompts you are using, you can go to the prompt templates over here, and in the prompt templates we can check whatever the business information we have over here. Yep, we have the prompt template with all the information, and we can ask whatever the questions we want to ask. So let me open the Instagram over here, and here if you remember, for this particular comment tool we are actually tracking the comments on all the posts. As you see, track comments on all the posts. Here you can actually, as I mentioned, we have 3 test posts over here. We can actually go with whatever the post you want and it simply respond. So if I ask what is the address, it should actually respond to us with the address we have on this particular business information. So the address is Texas Fitness Hub, 123 Main Street, Austin. So if I go back and let me click over here, and as you see here, the address is already here. Here I have asked another question: what is your Instagram ID? Our Instagram handle is at Tex Fitness. So if I go back to this particular business information, you can find this particular Instagram ID over here as well. So if it actually works on other post as well. So if I open, what is the email? So I am actually testing this on a different post. So I am testing this in the text post 3. Before actually I was testing in a different post. So it's just adding the comment over here, as you see here. And here I have asked what is the email, and it says you can reach us via info@textfitgym.com for any general feedback or assistance. So as you see here, it simply responds to us the comments over here. Now if you want to send a message to the customer as well, we can do that. So here we are actually responding to the customer just this particular comment reply. So if you want to send the same thing in the message, we can do that. So here we are actually responding to the customer as a comment reply. You can even respond to the customer as a comment reply and also send the same thing as the message as well. Let me show how to easily set this up. So here for the private reply, at the moment it says none, so that is the private DM is called as the private reply. So here if you choose the same flow, the customer will be receiving the same message, same flow over here, and click saved over here. Now let's test this one. So if I ask what is your email in another post or in the same post, everything works. So let's do this on this test post here, and let me check for some information and ask it. So let me ask so here I am actually asking a question: are you open on Mondays by 8 p.m? So now we have actually set this particular chatbot automation in such a way to respond to the particular customer as a comment reply, and also this will actually send a direct DM as well. So let's test this. So it says yes, we are open on Mondays until 10 p.m, so you can definitely visit us by 8 p.m. So if I go to the particular messages, we should receive the same message as the message as well. So for that particular comment, we received the particular comment reply and also a private DM from the page saying yes, we are open on Monday, something like that. So this is how we can actually send the DM as well. But if you want to send a chat funnel, we can do that as well. So let's do that over here. So let me create a new chat funnel over here and see how this goes. So here let me say comment leads funnel. So comment leads funnel. So here what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to create a message. Hi, thanks for reaching out. Would you like to book an appointment? So whatever the thing they comment, they will receive this sort of message. So whatever the thing they comment, they will actually receive this sort of message asking customers to book an appointment. So here let me add a link, chattingmedia.com. Done. So when you set a comment, a reply, or private DM as a reply, you should actually follow this particular rule. So you cannot actually add two text blocks over here. So that is not allowed by Instagram over here. So likewise, you send one message over here and you cannot actually send another message like this. So when you send the comment replies for the first time for the customer, before they actually even interact with your profile, it should be a single text block with a button or a quick reply. So here the sample will be like, you can actually have this sort of some sort of text and a button. Otherwise you can also have this sort of format as well, a text block with quick replies over here. So you can actually have as many as quick replies as you like, but this is the format. The first opt-in message should be in this particular same format, but once they interact with your button or your quick reply, so let's say this person actually click your quick reply, you can actually send messages like this. So you can actually send messages and another message block and even another message block. So likewise you can actually send this sort of message blocks to the customers, but it is not allowed to send these sort of message blocks over 3 or 2. Please keep in mind, this is not allowed as the opt-in message. So that's why the opt-in message format should be a message block and a button, or a message block with a quick reply, something like that. So here we actually have a message block with a button which actually takes them directly to the website. So that's why this actually works. So here the comments leads funnel. So let me go back to tools over here. Let me do a quick refresh, and here the flow name is comment leads funnel. So if I go back over here, and we just need to choose this particular comment leads funnel over here. For the private reply, instead of a comment, simply choose comment leads funnel and click save. Now if I add any sort of comments over here, I will receive the comment reply, the public comment reply using the AI, and also receive a message asking me if I would like to book an appointment over here. So this particular message will be sent to me in the DMs. So let's see how this actually goes. So let me go back to this particular profile over here. So here, for my question, what is the phone number, they simply respond to us with the phone number over here. And this time the response I received in the DM will be, thanks for reaching out, would you like to book an appointment? Let's check this out. So let me go back, and as you see here, thanks for reaching out, would you like to book an appointment? Here some part of this particular text is gone. So what you can do here is that instead of using this sort of button, we can actually switch this particular button to a quick reply, so it works better. So let me quickly fix this out over here. Would you like to book an appointment? So here let me ask yes, something like that. And here let me cut, we don't need the button anymore here, so let me delete this one. So if someone says yes, then we say great. So if someone says yes, we say awesome. Pick a date and time here. So if we simply say awesome, pick a date and time here, and let's add that particular button over here. Book appointment. That's it. So we have actually modified this particular flow. The same flow is here is modified like this. So let's go back and add another comment over here. We should receive another message. Are you open on Fridays? So let me add another comment over here. Are you open on Fridays? And let's see what sort of message we actually are getting over here. So here my comment, are you open on Fridays? It says yes, we are open 7 days a week, including Fridays from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. So now if I go to this particular message DMs, it says thanks for reaching out, would you like to book an appointment? I say yes, then it will say awesome, just tap the button below to pick a date and time here. And if I tap on this button, it will take us directly to the place where they want to book an appointment. So that's how you can actually build chat funnels or to gather leads from the Instagram, and also using AI to respond to the customers' comments using the AI over here. As you see here, we have responded to the customers' comments using AI without the human interventions over here. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.